Welcome to www.westsideautopros.com. Today's topic, get the correct technician for your Subaru. If you stop to think about it, would you take your child to the vet when they have a sore throat? Probably not. Even though the vet is trained in medical matters and probably could form an opinion on what's wrong, is it the right opinion? After all, they work with cats and dogs all day long. What do they know about the system of a child? A pediatrician would probably be your first choice of people to look at your child and make a correct diagnosis. The same could be said for auto mechanics. One make and model of a car can be vastly different from another. When you have need of a repairman for your Subaru model, would you opt to take it to someone who has never worked under the hood of a Subaru? Most likely the answer would be no again. You would prefer to take your vehicle to someone who was certified by Subaru to make a diagnosis on the problem and then try and tackle it. Finding certified Subaru mechanics isn't that difficult unless you live in a very rural area. There are several places you can look to find certified technicians if you don't already have one. The first place to go is online. Check out what auto repair centers there are in your region and see what their specialty is. If they have a specialty, then see if they're certified. Just because they specialize in something doesn't mean they're certified in handling repairs on it. When the internet doesn't provide good results, you can always check the phone book. There's always ads for all of the auto repair centers in your city listed in that book. They may provide some details in an ad, but in most cases you'll have to call and ask what their technicians are certified in. Since they are in the business of providing customer service, they should gladly answer all of the questions you have. If they do not seem like they want to provide answers, decide if it's time to move to another service center and try again. Lastly, you can check with friends or relatives who also drive a Subaru and see where they go for service. Word-of-mouth advertising is as good as any kind out there. Your friends will give you all kinds of details if they've had bad service at one location. They will also tell you when they've had a great experience at another. They can tell you who is certified to handle Subaru engines and who doesn't know what they're talking about. Make sure that even if it was a great experience for them, the technician is certified before you book your appointment. To find out more information on topics like this, go to www.westsideautopros.com.